Today we are working on Excel Lesson 5, the third lesson, Freezing Panes. So select cell B2 on the View tab in the Window group. So click View, and in the Window group, click Freeze Panes, and then click Freeze Panes. Scroll to the right of the worksheet so that columns M and N are displayed. Well, I can already see M and N on mine. You may not be able to. Note that the dates in columns A remain in view because we froze this over here. Scroll down the worksheet. Know that row 1 remains in place. If you need to change the location of the title, unfreeze the panes, relocate the cell marker, and then freeze the panes again. On the View tab in the Window group, click Freeze Panes, and then Unfreeze Panes. And you can see now that everything scrolls. So this completes freezing panes.